Hello everyone. I promised a flip through of my napkin journal. I did get it finished Thursday night after we got off. I managed to get all the holes punched and I bound it and finished up the very last page, and I'm real pleased with it. I used some beads, and where Lisa used her buttons, I used some beads. I had a little butterfly button or bead and some little flower beads, which I thought would work real well. Let me see if I can show you those up close. Oh. See that? So there we go. Now then, I'm just gonna quietly flip through here and show you all the pages. I did show the pages at the end of our session last time, and but I want to just show you how it is when it's all bound. I will tell you that I was real pleased with the shims, and this is probably the prettiest time I've ever used this binding. It came out really nice, but I wasn't trying to show you how to do it. I just did it, and sometimes when you're trying to do something on camera, it's not quite as pretty as it is when you're not, because it's just easier to have it in line, or whatever you want to call it. So let's see here. I'm going to move this just a little bit more this way. Is that right? Yeah. Now, the back side of all the pages are plain. This is just the shims I added into it. So Okay guys, that's a flip of my napkin journal. I hope you guys had fun playing with this. I hope you've enjoyed working with Lisa and I. It was a fun project. We were both a little hesitant when we started the month, and because I think neither one of us knew exactly what we wanted to do with the napkins. But we're both really pleased with how our journals came out. So it was a fun project, and we both enjoyed it. I'm going to read you a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity and find out what my next chore for today is. Great things are not accomplished by those who yield to trends and fads and popular opinion. Jack Kerouac. Okay, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.